guys, what's up? It's Iggy. Welcome back. You guys read the title correctly. It's a Bratz challenge part 2. So, who else better to do it than me? I had so much fun originally doing the first challenge, and I see that it's really growing. It was really more inspired by my hair, and then it kind of just transitioned into a Bratz challenge. And I was like, you know what? Let's do it. So for the look that I was inspired by, it's this picture right here that I'm going to insert for you guys. And this picture I actually took and did myself. Tweaked it a little bit, maybe a lot, maybe had some help. Thanks, Steph. Love you, girl. So if you guys want to stay tuned to see how to get this Bratz look, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so jumping straight into this eye look, I already went ahead and primed my eyes with, of course, our beloved Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I just used light neutral as my shade. So starting off this look, we're going to go in with our limited edition Clay Pots liner, and this is in the shade Bubblegum. It's super pretty. It's this really pretty hot pink, and I feel like it's going to be really perfect for this look. So just taking that Bubblegum shade, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just swirl it on in there. And then if you feel like you have a little bit too much product or you don't want to start off with too much, usually I like to start off with a little bit. I like to take it and just kind of put the excess product on the back of my hand. And when I feel like I got it to a good point where I feel comfortable, I just go ahead and blend this into the crease, and then I'm going to buff it out. Alright, so the Bubblegum shade is popped on, and it's so pretty. If you guys know me, I love pink. It's my favorite color. Fun fact about me, if you didn't already know. Now you know. So now going in with our Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to take that shade Whimsical right here, and I'm just going to place this all over my eyelid and then blend this into the crease. Next, I'm going to go in and cut the crease. I'm going to go in with our Shape Tape Concealer. Going back in with that Bubblegum shade, I'm just going to take this little flat brush here, and not taking a lot of product, just taking a little bit excess that I have left on the brush that I'm just going to tap on the back of my hand here, and we're just going to place this on the top of the lid, but just very lightly. I want it to be like a tint of pink. I don't want it to be too vibrant. Also forgot to mention taking that Bubblegum shade as well and placing this in the lower lash line. Next for this look, you guys know I love shimmer, so I'm going to add our Sea Glass eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Night Dive, and I'm just going to place this where I cut my crease just to add a pop of shimmer. Next, going in with our Tarte Pro Double Take Eyeliner, I'm going to use the pencil side here, and I'm just going to line this along my waterline. To complete this eye look, we're going to go in and apply a few light coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and I'm going to apply our Tarte lashes in the style Wifey. These are my current obsession, so if you don't have them and you've never tried them, highly recommend them. Alright guys, so this is the completed eye look. We're going to top it off now with our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Salty. To complete the rest of this look, we're going to go in with our Treasure Pot Glitter Gel, and this is in Moonwalk. And I'm just going to take my 2 fingers and just kind of tap it in there a little bit. Get that little glitter that you see right there. And I'm just going to place this on the highest point of my cheekbones as a highlight. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial on this Extra AF pink eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you guys recreate this yourselves, don't forget to tag us. I would totally love to see your guys' looks recreating this. Hope you guys also like the new hair. How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments if you feel it or not. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!